Hey y'all, what's up? It's Jessica. Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Today's video is all about this gorgeous hair that I'm wearing. This hair is from Knappyhair Extensions, and this is their Kinky Coily U-part wig. I don't even know the last time I've worn a U-part wig. I don't think I even own a U-part wig, like a human hair. I don't own any U-part wigs. I've always kind of shy away from them because the construction was just something that just wasn't for me at all. But this wig, girl, like this has to be the most natural looking wig that I have worn. Like, do you see that? Do you see this? Come on now. This hair is gorgeous. You gotta snap when you wear this type of hair because it's that fly. So I'm gonna share with you guys all the details regarding this hair, how I styled her, how I got her to look so frolicious and fabulous and natural, all that stuff. Y'all know I'm good for it. So let's dive into the video.
Alright, so here is the wig. This is the Knappyhair Kinky Coily U-part wig. I believe the length is 20 to 22 inches, and this is the texture straight. When you get it, it's very, very kinky and very coily. It matches 4B, 4C hair perfectly, even 4A hair. So this is the hair after I washed and conditioned it. I am going to blow out this hair because I plan on giving this hair some shape so it can match my hair a little bit more. My hair is shorter in the front, and since this is a U-part wig, I want it to blend well. I'm just showing you guys that texture. So I'm just going to take my blow dryer and blow dry this hair. This is the hair blown out, and as you can see, it's a lot of hair. It's very dense, very thick. Look at all that hair. But she is in need of some shaping. And this is the inside of the cap. So this is the construction. It comes with clips, an adjustable strap, and a comb at the nape of the neck. And I'm just going to throw it on. I love the fact that this comes with clips because it makes it so easy to apply and secure your wig. And that's just the front of my hair out in the front. So now I'm just going to detangle it and give it a shape. First, starting off by taking the front of the hair, creating a bang because I want height at the top of this wig. And we're just gonna chop it all off. Well, not all off, but we're gonna chop, not a lot, but enough to give it some shape and some height and some volume. You give your hair shape, it gives the style more life. All right, so you see the side that's not shaped versus the side that is shaped, and you can see how much volume it has, and look at the hair after it's all shaped up. So I didn't cut that much off, but I cut enough to give it the shape that I want. Now we're going to style it. I'm going to take some foamy mousse, and we are going to do some flexi rod, like a flexi rod / perm rod set, because I use flexi rods for the back of the wig, and I use the yellow small rods, or yeah, perm rods for the front of the hair for a more tighter curl, just so it can match my hair a little bit more. And I love doing this. I love mixing larger perm rods and flexi rods with smaller ones, just because it gives it a little bit more dimension, a little bit more style to the look. All the curls aren't uniformed or the same. So now it's time to take all the rods out of my hair, and you can see that curl is popping. It's so defined, but you guys know me. I'm not here for the defined look. I want volume, okay? I want volume, I want height. I want a little bit of curl, but I'm not really here for the defined look. So let's take those fingers and separate those curls, and I'm going to do a lot of separating because again, I'm here for the height. And I'm just going to take my fingers and basically use them as a pick to fluff the roots to give it more height and volume up top. And then we're going to take down my hair in the front and do the exact same thing. I'm going to separate my curls and just fluff and blend and lift until I get the shape that I desire. Make sure you guys use my code Jessica P at checkout for a discount. Save yourself some coins.
All right, y'all, this is the completed look. I absolutely love this hair. Like, I was so tempted to color this wig and give her some highlights. I might still do that, you know, because that's what I do. But I am loving this dark chocolate fro. Like, I really am. Oh, I think I may need to cut that piece. It's kind of long. But I just love this big old fro. Like, I can see myself rocking this every single day. I love the fact that I can leave my hair out in the front because I'm a lazy natural. I'm not gonna even lie, I'm lazy, so this kind of gives me the ability to do my hair without actually doing my entire hair. I can do this part, but all of it sometimes I'm just like team too much. So yeah, just the front out, it just looks very, very natural. I love the fullness of this wig. You guys saw when I cut it to style it. So you have so many options, and that's why I love wigs. I love wigs. I love to explore. I love to style them. I love to customize them to my liking. And they last for a very long time if you take care of them. They last for a very long time. I love the fact that I can give my hair a break, especially these days, you guys. I'm so busy these days that I just honestly don't have the time to do my hair. I'm not gonna cut that. I'm not gonna cut it. I get scissor happy and I start cutting. I'm just gonna fluff it in there. But do you guys see that shape? Oh my God, I'm in love. This fro is just so gorgeous. I hear people say, girl, I'm not spending money on a wig just to cut it. But honestly, you guys, if you want it to look super natural, if you want it to look like it's growing out of your scalp, if you want it to look like it belongs to you, customize it. Or if you don't feel comfortable doing it, take your wig to the salon. Why not? Get it customized at the salon. Yes, wigs are an investment. That's just what they are. They are an investment piece. But if you take care of them and you store them properly, they will last you for so long. I have wigs that last me forever because I take care of them. I store them when need be, and I pop them on when I want to look, when I need to look, switch it up or whatever. But I love the fact that this upart wig has clips in it because it makes it so much easy to apply it and secure it. It does have one comb in the back, but the rest of it is clips and with the adjustable straps because I have a very small head. So this fits my head perfectly. You guys see that movement? Shake it around, the wig is not going anywhere. And I can still even go in, which I will do, especially if it's really windy or something. I'll just go in and pop bobby pins in there. This wig is not going anywhere, like nowhere. She's staying put. But I love the shape that I gave this wig because it gave it more movement. It makes it look more natural and it blends better with the front of my hair because it would just kind of just all fall down and then I would just have this short piece right here. But cutting it gave it height, it gave it volume up top, and it just gives it this really nice carefree kind of shape. I really do love this. But let me just say, Knappyhair Extensions comes through with the textured extensions for the textured girls, okay? First of all, the name Knappyhair, like taking that word back and making it positive. Like, no, Knappyhair is not a negative thing. This is nappy and it's fabulous. So I love that. Check out Knappyhair Extensions. All the information will be down below in the description box. Girl, get you some kinky coily, kinky coarse. They have straighter textures and textures that match if your hair is relaxed, textures that match if you have 3C, 4A, whatever texture. I love the fact that this is the kinky coily and it matches with my texture perfectly, and I'm a 4B4C type of girl, so that's that on that one. Check the description box down below. Make sure you guys use my coupon code if you want to save yourself some coins. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Let me know down below in the comment section how you are digging this look and what should I do to this wig. Should I add some color to her or should I keep her dark? And what other styles should I do to this particular upart wig? I don't know. I'm curious to see what else I can do with her. Oh, maybe a wash and go. I don't know. But let me know what type of styles you guys want to see me rock with this particular unit. Maybe give you guys some inspiration. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and support this channel. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.